Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a 3D site using Odyssey on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now we're going to be using Odyssey 3D, which is an external app, and the reason for this is because, of course, Shopify doesn't support 3D object creation in its site editor, so we're going to need to use a third-person app. Now, this is going to embed itself into the site itself, so it's not going to replace anything. It's going to integrate smoothly, but let me go ahead and show you what the app looks like. As you can see, Odyssey 3D Virtual Stores is what you want to install, and I have installed it. For some reason, it doesn't want to work. It just goes into a boot loop. It starts loading up the app, and then it doesn't want to run. But let me just show you guys what happens exactly if I go ahead and launch Odyssey. As you'll see, it's going to start launching Odyssey. It's going to stop somewhere there, and it's going to reload the site for some reason. So I can't actually show you how the app works and what it looks like. It does have a free plan and a free trial available, so you can use whichever one of these you would like. But let me just go over and go into Odyssey's actual tutorial. But as you can see, you need to go ahead and download the app on the App Store, and then you'll need to choose your plan. As you can see, you can select the free plan right over here. And then you can upload 3D models, you can add ambient music, customize the interior, and customize select products. You can also personalize your space, choose a layout, and perfect your design through the music and the 3D assets you add. Then you need to handpick your products through the products that you have added to your Shopify storefront. And then you'll need to add the 3D block to your website. Once you set everything up, you're going to open up the theme editor, which is done like so. Just go into Online Store, into Themes, and click Customize next to the theme you're editing. And then once you're here, the next step is to go ahead and click Add Section. Let's say I want to add it to the main page. Just click Add Section over here, and over here, under apps, you're going to have 3D Shop Experience by Odyssey. Click that, and it's going to embed itself here in the bottom. And as you can see, you can enter it if you so choose. I'm not gonna, just to prevent any crashes and any loading loops happening again. But as you can see, that is exactly how you integrate it and how you embed it into your site. And then once your users enter it, they're going to have a 3D store, which they can browse through pretty much however they want. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.